Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, there is going to be tons of motivation because it's a Sunday reset video, and so I'll be doing all kinds of chores to give you motivation to get tons of things checked off your list. Today's video is also a collab, and it is hosted by my friend Angel McMillan, and she has put together this wonderful collab. So there are tons of us YouTubers who have got together to give you tons of motivation to get that week started off right and to get things checked off your list. So make sure that you go down in my description box below and click on the playlist so that you can watch everybody's video while you're doing all of the things that you're going to do to get the week started off right. And make sure that you subscribe to their channels, like their videos. I've also put Angel's channel down in my description box, so make sure that you go over and show her some love as well. Thank you so much, Angel, for putting this collab together today. I am so excited to be a part of it. All right, y'all, let's get this started. As you can see, my kitchen is quite messy, so the first thing on my to-do list today is to get my kitchen in order for the new week so that when I wake up on Monday morning, I do not wake up to a messy kitchen, because that is the worst. It happens sometimes, but it's the worst when you get up, you go in to make your cup of coffee, and you're just met with dishes first thing in the morning. I hate it, and like I said, it does happen sometimes because we're all human. You know, I try to practice done, not perfect, but I don't have many perfect days. So, but yeah, so that's the first thing that I'm going to be tackling today. I want y'all to let me know down in the comments some things that you do that makes your week go way better on Monday morning. The first thing that we do on Sunday always is go to church, because that resets our mind. And then I always take a nap on Sunday, most of the time. I shouldn't say always, because that's not true, but I love a good Sunday nap. It just does so much good for the soul. And my husband laughs at me because when I go to take my Sunday nap, I take off my church clothes and I put my pajamas back on, and I'll lay down in that bed and get under them covers and just, you know, take like the best nap ever. I don't know what it is about Sunday naps, but they are the best. So let me know down in the comments what are some things that y'all do to reset. I wanted to take just a moment and introduce myself in case you're new here today from the collab. I'm Rachel, and you are at Rachel's Southern Life. I know that watching playlists, sometimes you can be like, okay, now who am I watching? But you are over at Rachel's Southern Life. I am a 49-year-old mom and grandmother. I'm an empty nester, so some of my content can be a little bit different just from being an empty nester. You won't see me picking up a lot of toys or things like that because all my babies are grown, y'all. Oh, it's awful. The only time, you'll see me picking up toys is if my grandkids have been here. But over here on this channel, you will find things as cleaning motivation, DIY. I do decor, anything basically, homemaking, cooking, things like that. But I also love some shopping. But I love shopping on a budget. So sometimes you'll see me shop my home or Dollar Tree or Temu or Shein, and Goodwill is my favorite store of all time. I love some Goodwill. I love to thrift, y'all. So if that sounds like something that you might be interested in, make sure that you go down and hit my subscribe box and hit that bell for notifications. I am getting ready to start pumping out some fall decor videos. Make sure that you are subscribed so that you don't miss anything that is upcoming. I'm so curious to know if y'all are cleaning along with me and checking things off your list, or are you sitting there with like your favorite drink and a blanket just watching to pump yourself up and get motivated in order to get up and do the things? Let me know in the comments down below. If you're new here today, you probably don't know that I clean houses for a living, and so this is my workspace that I work out of, and where I keep all my cleaners and my rags and all the things. So I'm just here making sure that everything's in order and that I don't need anything, or making a list of things I do need, making sure my bags are properly stocked, so all I have to do is load up whenever I get ready to go on a job. So we are back at the laundry. I don't know what is going on in my house because it's just Matt and I here at the moment, but it just seems like I've had this overwhelming pile of laundry that I cannot seem to ever get completed. It is crazy. That is not normal, and I do not know what is going on. I think that somebody is coming in at night and slipping their laundry in my laundry room and then coming back the next day and picking it up, because this just cannot be all of our laundry. It's just been crazy. But Lord, I am so tired of doing laundry on this day. I mean, it was just way too much. Something I always do on Sunday is I get on Pinterest and I look up recipes, and I have several saved on there, and then I also try to find usually a new recipe per week, and I sit down and plan out our menu for the week and make out my grocery list. This is so helpful to me to keep me on my grocery budget, because, whenever you go in the store or whatever and you know exactly what you need, you know exactly what you're making, and you're not looking around at other things. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you enjoyed this Sunday reset video. It was so fun to just get everything in line for the week, and now I don't feel stressed or anything, so that is awesome. I'm gonna have to do more of these videos. They're very motivating. Make sure that you go down in the description box below and click on the playlist for the collab so that you can get all of the Sunday resetting motivation that you need. There are tons of amazing YouTubers in that collab, so make sure that you go check that out. Also, thank you to Angel McMillan for putting this collab together. I also have her channel linked down below, so go show her some love. Subscribe to all their channels, hit the like buttons, show them some love. All right, I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.